Welcome to Ben's Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I am here. It's evening over here and the weather is also nice, very breezy, cold weather, and so I'm going to make now some pancakes. So just for an evening tea I was thinking of making some pancake, and I will share you my type recipe. So let's start. So we need 1.5 cup of maida, that is refined flour. So you need 1.5 cup. So 8 pancakes will come out of this, depending on how thick and thin what you do. So this is 1.5 cup of maida. And we will add some salt to this. Then we'll add some baking powder. So baking powder I will add 2.5 teaspoon, okay. So this is 1, 2 and a half. So you can use 3.5 also, but 2.5 I think so it is okay, fluffy and nice, it's soft, because I already tried this. Because if you put more, then it can become a little bit bitter. So 2.5 is okay. Then we will add some lime juice to this. First we'll mix this all. Then we'll add some sugar to this, because we are adding baking powder. So 2 teaspoon of baking, 2 teaspoon of sugar. Okay. Now we will squeeze some lime juice to this. So it will give tanginess also, and it will be tasty also. Then we will add some butter. Okay. So little bit of butter to this, any butter, whatever you like. Then goes 1 egg. And this is optional, but it is tasty. You can add this veg mayo to this, or non-veg mayo. So it will be like around 1 to 2 teaspoon in this. And now we will just mix this together, okay. And then because we have to add the milk also to this, give a mixing to this. Now let's add our milk to this. So basically milk is like, you have to check how much you need, okay. We need to make a smooth batter out of this. So at least like 1 full cup milk goes in this, 1 full cup. You can add your vanilla essence to this, but I am not going to add vanilla essence because I am adding Mio, lime, that will help. Now we will use this. See, there is no lumps to this. Mix this nicely, very nicely. See that there are no lumps. So now the batter is ready and we'll fry this. So this is our batter. So let's brush some oil to this. So here is our batter. So we want like this. So let's put so you can cover this also. So if you can see this. And now we will turn this. this is done. And let's do the let's turn this. You can brush little bit oil if you want. So let it get cooked. So here it is done. The second one. I will show you the third one, and then you have to continue this procedure till it is done. Okay. Thickness, thinness is up to you. And enjoy your pancakes with drizzle of, you have to drizzle honey on it. I will show you how to eat this. So here is the plating till this is becoming, and take the pancake, hot pancake, and then you take this honey, any honey, and then drizzle this. How much you want? Yeah, you can use maple syrup. That is also you can eat with maple syrup also. So this is how you can eat this pancake, like this. It is very soft actually, and I'm going to eat this. Very tasty. You can try this my recipe. Okay, and here it goes. So I'm going to enjoy now with hot tea with my family. So enjoy pancakes, because it's like a cake in the pan. Thank you.